Hello guys, it's the Naked Rider here and this is my 1.5 vlog. This vlog's a little bit different from all the others as I'll be talking about my new exhaust I have obtained today. So here's a little clip of me using it at the moment. As you can see, I've had so much fun with it. And in the next clip I shall be giving a little tour of the exhaust itself. What it looks like and what it sounds like, even though the camera does not do it any justice whatsoever. So yeah, this is me checking out the exhaust. As you can see, it's a Black Widow exhaust, 280mm stainless steel. It sounds absolutely beautiful in person, but as I say, the camera does not do it justice whatsoever. It took me quite a while to get this fitted as I just could not get the old one off. Bad times. So yeah, nice setup, and here are some more clips of me having fun. Now this clip was the funniest one because I looked in my mirrors and I saw a copper and I was like, oh shit. So I pulled over thinking he's going to get me. And as you can see, he just goes past and I was like, phew. First day I bought this fucking exhaust, I'm not getting pulled over. And brings me on to the last clip, which I actually managed to stand still and stop riding to check my phone. So sorry Catherine, this is for you. If you ever actually are watching, I will ask you that. I'll probably tell you this. This is where I answered your text from the other night. And before anyone asked, no, she is not the future Mrs. Naked Rider. Even though you all are trying so hard to find me one. So this is my lonely heart's head. This is the Naked Rider finding his Mrs. Naked Rider. That sounds dodgy. Anyway, back to the exhaust. This is, yeah, when I went out, I absolutely enjoyed the exhaust. It was absolutely brilliant. Like I said, the camera does not do it justice. And if you are looking for a new exhaust for your bike, go check out Black Widow exhaust. I'm going to put the website link at the end of this video, and also a link to their webpage as well. Anyway, this is the Naked Rider. Peace out.